Hello everyone. I know it's been like eons since I've done a lock picking video, and unfortunately I'm not going to be picking a lock on this one. A buddy of mine sent this Sargent Assa Abloy. He said he couldn't get into it. I tried it, and then for the last month or so I've kind of like lost interest in locks. But we wanted to see what was inside this, so I took this out. And then I found out that once the cylinder's out, you can pick it reverse. You can try to pick it reverse. I mean, the cylinder will turn either way, where when it's in the lock, it won't, due to some limiter or something in there. So I started trying to pick on this, and I had two master lock number 3s that were locked together that I had in my Jeep. And I said, since you're getting nowhere on that one, why don't you see if you can still pick? And these were locked together like that. And I've finally got them open, you know. I mean, I opened them up, but it wasn't super quick. So then I tried to pick this thing reverse, and I tried to pick it forward. I tried top of the keyway, bottom of the keyway. I don't see any pin traps or anything like that. I think it's just straight up nasty bitting. Let me go get the key. I left it. Show you the bitting. Yeah, so here's what we got. This guy's pretty high up. It's just bitting, I think. I don't think there's anything special in here as far as keys. But see, it'll go both ways when you get it out. It just had this little holder and a really small screw holding it in there. A really weird one. I don't know. I had to get my separate stuff to get it out. Where he went. He's hiding somewhere. Oh, here he is. Yeah, really tiny. Let's see what this guy measures up to. Almost like a 2mm point 0.77 inch. Anyway, got that out, and now I gotta find my gut wrench. All my block picking stuff is scattered. Here it is. I have a feeling we're gonna need that. Yeah, you gotta keep in practice. I was still able to get master lock number 3s open, so I haven't lost everything. Now, this guy didn't want to come out. There we go. Alright, what do we always do? Shim. Shim always. Alright, first we gotta turn him as if we had picked it, which I couldn't do. Before I stopped picking, I had tried this one a couple of times, and then today I tried it, like I said, out of the padlock and into a vise, and tried to pick it forward and backwards and got nowhere. Sorry, I'm just trying to jam this shim in there. I think he's in there. I don't know. We'll find out. Find out the hard way. This guy looks like he might be the right size. Uh-oh. Stuck on something right there. Crap. Well, this is not good. They look like they're all standard that are falling out of there. I got stuck on pin number 3. Tweezers, where are you? There you are. Down pin number 3. There we go. Standard drivers up there. Sorry you couldn't see all that. Busy fiddling. Yep, nothing but standard pins so far. They're all sticking to each other. That long one there, I'll just match them up with the bitting. But we got one long driver in there. Looks like it came out of pin 4. Some springs. Crap. Another long driver. Fortunately, I caught him. Plenty of oil in here. I shot a lot of lube in it trying to get it to cooperate. Get out of there, you. We'll match these guys up later. There's a spring floating around here somewhere. There you are. Get your respective spot. Alright, so we just have matched drivers probably to the bitting. I couldn't get them because I got stuck on pin 3. It made me disassemble it improperly. That's what I'm blaming. Alright, so let's look at this. Yeah, they're all standards, it looks like. Alright, you get up there, you get up there, you get up there. We'll match you guys up later. Alright, let's try to get pin 1 to come up. He don't want to come up. Alright, we'll take pin 2 out then. All the long ones that want to come out? Fine. Are you here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 with a possibility of a 7. What's that little guy right there for? There was no pin in it. That might be what was. Let's see where that guy goes. Yeah, see, that's past the cylinder. I think that would just be the... I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that one back there in that slot is for. Anyways, let's get rid of number 1. Number 3. Come out, number 3. Number 3. Number 5. Come out, 5. I don't want to come out. Yeah, so it's all standard pins. I think the only thing that's been preventing me from getting it open is this bitting here. Anywho, come out. Everybody, 1, 2, come out. Come on out. Shy pins. Come on out. Oh man, that was great. That was really stupid. See that? Bounce them all around like that. As you can tell, it's been a while since I've messed with locks. Well, we got it to come out. Jumbled everything all over the place. Get over there, y'all. Alright, I'm missing a driver. There he is. Get over there. We'll find your spring. Wherever your spring is hiding. You know what? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, there's 6 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holes. Count it in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so there's a capability to have somebody ride here, but it wouldn't do any good as far as like the... See, that last hole is right out there. So that wouldn't do anything for the turning of the lock. But yeah, that's what we got basically, is no countersinking, standard pins. Sorry, these don't look zoomed in as much as I can. You can see I got stuff all goofed up, but you go down here. They're just rounded on the end. They're not tapered, I can see. Yeah, just a slight bevel on the very end, but not a taper at all, just a bevel. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with in a Assa Abloy Sargent that didn't want to open. Nothing wrong with it, no special tricks or pins, you just got to be able to pick, and I couldn't pick it open. I had a hard time disassembling it, as you saw. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.